My name is Gallop. I teach STEM at Manteo Middle School, and we are building a boat with my dad. When I jumped into this year, the new curriculum, wasn't really sure what we were going to do. I was talking to my parents about it one night.
And they were talking about doing a project, for the STEM class, and like bookshelves or something like that.
And Dad was in there, he's like, no, we should build a skiff.
I've been working in the boat industry here in Dare County for over 40 years. Built my own boats to commercial fish with, and it grew to building boats for other people. I volunteered to do this project because the history of boat building in this county.
Dad comes in first off, and the first thing he does is says, we have to have a blueprint. And it was like, okay, Miss Gallop's not just making us do a blueprint for no reason. Like, a professional in the boat building industry has to start with a piece of paper and a pencil. And so I think it's been invaluable to them to see something like that and how it relates directly to what we're teaching them, to actually see it come to light with something that they pass by every day when they're driving over the Pirates Cove Bridge. All those boats all started at a blueprint.
I've been wanting to build a boat since I was really young. It is a 16-foot flat bottom skiff. What we did was we created the shape of the boat by using the stretcher, and we created a blueprint before we built it all.
We've had 2 7th grade classes rotating in and out. So some days one class got to cut the bottom, and I wanted to make sure the other class got to run a batten and do the shear line and stuff like that.
Stevie has been a great asset to our career and technical education department in her STEM class. She's always up to try new things. It's what Dare County is known for worldwide with the boats that are built here.
We decided to go with marine plywood, 3/8 on the sides, 1/2 inch on the bottom.
We scarfed wood, designed the shear line. We used a planer to even out the sides.
We fastened and glued wood together, and great student participation throughout the whole process.
I think building a boat at a young age is important because it teaches you structure, how to use a tape measure, and a level, and responsibilities.
It'll be really cool to see someone go duck hunting on it or go fishing.
It wouldn't be made possible without our community behind us. We've had a lot of people donate, especially Mr. Glenn donating his time to come in and do this with our students, and also Spencer Marine. Jack with Impulse Trading Company donated the Akumi, or the marine grade plywood that we're using. Paxton Company gave us a credit on some of the materials that we had to buy. Buddy Calloway on the Captain BC has helped, and East West has helped as well. We always want to make real world connections, and what better way to make a real world connection than right here in Dare County.